Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe someone else's room you enjoy spending time in. You should say, when do you visit there? Whose room it is? What it is like? When you go there? What you can do in it? And explain why you enjoy spending time there. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I am quite particular about selecting rooms and mostly like to stay in my own room. But today, I would like to speak about my grandmother's room, which is my next best alternative. So, next best alternative means the next best option. I usually go there to study as it is easy for me to concentrate there as well as provides a conducive learning environment. So, conducive means favorable or helpful. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, her room is away from the hustle and bustle of the street and is located on the back side of my house at the far end of the kitchen, which is comparatively a lot quieter than the other areas of my house. So we have used an idiom here which is hustle and bustle, which means noise. Okay. So away from the hustle and bustle means away from the noise of the street. Additionally, there is a picturesque wallpaper of lakes and mountains in her room, which further adds to the peaceful and calm atmosphere, allowing me to relax completely. So, picturesque means beautiful. I usually study there during afternoon time when my granny is taking a nap, so I can focus entirely on my studies as well as finish my modules in a timely manner and not spend time chatting with her, prolonging my study duration. So, nap means a short sleep, prolonging means extending. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, I study core academic subjects like mathematics and science to have a better grasp and understanding of key concepts which I can retain for a longer period of time. Finally, I like studying in her room not only because it is as still as the grave, but also features proper ventilation with large windows on both walls, providing ample amount of natural light, thereby boosting my productivity and keeping me motivated. So we have used another idiom here which is still as the grave, which means quiet and silent. Ample means sufficient. Boosting means to enhance. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.